Morning. What's up? Children, in the previous videos, we discussed the properties of acids. What kind of properties we discussed, children? Yeah. So, first one is the property of acids with metals, and the second one is the property of acids with carbonates and then bicarbonates. Children, next concept is the neutralization reaction of acids and bases or acid base reactions. Children, before going to explain, before going to learn our neutralization reaction, so this is the chapter, the chapter acids, bases and salts, and class 10th class, this is the 10th class concept. This is explained by G. Krishna. Children, so what is neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction means the reaction actually, so the reaction of an acid with base to give a salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. So, acid plus base gives rise to salt plus water. So, this is neutralization reaction. Example, sodium hydroxide aqua solution. This is sodium hydroxide aqua solution plus hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid react each other, one acid and one base reacting each other and form salt, that is sodium chloride plus water. So, this is an example of neutralization reaction. So, children, now we can learn the neutralization reaction with an activity. So, let us do small activity to understand the neutralization reaction in our laboratory. Say that activity is what are the material so required and what is the aim of this activity. Now learn, we can learn. So, what is the aim, children, here? The aim is to test the change of color in reaction of an acid with base. Just we can test the change of color in reaction of an acid with base. What are the required materials? Let me explain now. So, the required materials are, so this is the sodium hydroxide, dilute sodium hydroxide. This is the dilute sodium hydroxide. Next one is phenolphthalein. Yeah, this is phenolphthalein indicator. This is the phenolphthalein indicator. The next required material is, so dilute hydrochloric acid. Yes, dilute hydrochloric acid. These are the required materials to do this activity. So, children, so let me explain the procedure how to do this experiment. Now, let me explain now. Children, now we can prepare the dilute sodium hydroxide solution. So, these are the sodium hydroxide pellets. Now, we have taken some pellets into conical flask, then we can add some water to this conical flask and dilute it. So, this is the just 2 ml of sodium hydroxide solution. So, 2 ml of sodium hydroxide solution we have taken. So, first of all, take 2 ml of dilute sodium hydroxide solution in a test tube. So, we have taken some 2 milliliters of dilute sodium hydroxide in this test tube. Then add phenolphthalein, yes, then add phenolphthalein indicator. This is the phenolphthalein indicator. Yes, drop by drop, we are adding drop by drop. So, what we observe, children? Yes, immediately the color of the sodium hydroxide solution turns into pink, Here, see, this is the, when we add the phenolphthalein solution drop by drop to this sodium hydroxide solution. So, what happened? So, immediately the sodium hydroxide solution color turns into pink color, children. So, now after that after adding this phenolphthalein, now we can add drop by drop hydrochloric acid solution. So this is the reaction between acid and base. That's why, so we add dilute hydrochloric acid to this solution drop by drop. Just I am adding drop by drop solution to this. So what happened? We observe that, yes, we observe that the pink color disappears on adding HCl because NaOH is completely reacted with HCl. So we observe that here. Children, have you observed that? Yes. So here the pink color is disappeared. See, disappeared, and the solution becomes colorless. So children, what do you observe here? So children, so is there any change of color? Is there any change of color of the solution? Yes, the color of the solution gradually disappear and colorless solution is happened. Colorless solution is formed. Here this is the colorless solution by adding of this diluted hydrochloric acid drop by drop. Children, why did the color of the solution change after adding the HCl solution? Yes, the effect of base in nullified and the phenolphthalein indicator gets original color. So here the HCl solution, if you are adding HCl solution drop by drop, the effect of base is nullified. That means the phenolphthalein color, the phenolphthalein indicator is gets its original color. What's the color of phenolphthalein? Colorless. That's why here the solution gets the colorless color. That means, so this acid nullified the base effect. So this is the another that means that base and acid react each other and forms the some neutral compound, that is sodium chloride precipitate or sodium chloride solution. Children, now again we can add sodium hydroxide solution to get the pink color. So now base effect we can appear. Yes, again we are adding drop by drop sodium hydroxide here. So, okay, what happened, children? Yes, there is a color, pink color solution again reappear. The pink color reappear on adding drop of NaOH because the solution becomes basic once again. Why we can observe this pink color, children? Yes, again this solution becomes basic in nature. That's why, so by adding of sodium hydroxide, so again the phenolphthalein solution gets the pink color. That means, children, does the pink color reappear? Yes, appear here. So children, do you guess the reason for reappearance of pink color? Do you guess it? Yes, because is the solution in the solution basic property increases. By adding basic solution sodium hydroxide in this mixer, basic property increases. Whenever the basic property increases, again this pink color is appear. So this is the best example of acid base reaction, children. So we clearly understand acid and base reacts each other and forms the neutralization compound. What's the neutralization compound here? Sodium chloride and water. Now let me explain. So this, from this above activity we can explain the reaction occurring between acid and base in the above activity can be written as, so the NaOH plus aqua solution plus HCl aqua gives rise to NaCl plus water. This is the reaction takes place in the above activity, children. So the reaction of an acid with base to give a salt and water is known as a neutralization reaction. In general, a neutralization reaction can be written as acid plus base gives rise to salt plus water. So children, this is the neutralization reaction. Now what's the day-to-day life day-to-day life example of neutralization reaction, when we where we are observing neutralization reaction in our day-to-day life. Very best example, so children, acidity. Acidity is so, some of our people, some people is suffering from acidity. What is acidity, children? Yes, acidity occurs when there is a excess secretion of acids in our gastric glands of the stomach. So immediately in our stomach there is a acid reflection into the esophagus and acid heartburn in our stomach. So whenever we suffering from the acidity, then what type of medicine we have to take, children? Yes, there is a medicine that is antacids. There is a medicine we have to take, we should take, that are the antacid tablets and antacid syrups. How can we stop acidity in our stomach, children? So by taking off antacid tablets or syrups. These are the antacid tablets, antacid tablets and antacid capsules or syrups. So is the substance present in the antacid tablet acidic or basic? Children, actually in our stomach, if excess of acid secretion takes place, then we suffering from acidity, you know, or gastric problem. Then what kind of medicine we have to take? So we should take the base. Then the excess of acid can neutralize by taking of base to form the neutral compound in our stomach. Then we can get the relief from acidity or gastric problem. Children, that's why what kind of material, either acid material or basic material we should take? Yes, certainly we should take the basic material, that means antacid tablets are basic materials, are basic in nature. Children, what type of reaction takes place in stomach when an antacid tablet is consumed? Yes, certainly the reaction is neutralization reaction takes place in the stomach whenever we have taken the antacid tablets. So this is the neutralization reaction or acid base reaction and its day to day life example, children. If you have any doubt or any question, you can raise in my comment box. I will give answer to you. So children, happy learning. Thank you for watching.